Come test drive the 2010 Lexus LS 460. Refined and indulgent, yet willing to let loose when given the opportunity, the LS 460 boasts a V8 engine that delivers 380 horsepower with an innovative 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, CD changer, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, keyless start, floor mats, rear defrost. Come take a test drive today.